Once upon a time, there was a girl with golden locks. You know what? Maybe it was like a
rugged, woodsy dude.
Yeah, too hard, too soft, too... This Goldilocks wanted something tastier.
Those look just right.
First, he drove the Ram 2500 Rebel to pick up some dinner. Pow!
Tastes like chicken.
Next, he took the Ram Charger deep into the woods to flex his artistic muscles. Then he fired up the Ram RHO for a little joyride.
What about the three bears?
This is my story.
But yeah, the bears were there. And they all lived happily ever after. Sort of.